Congratulations, everyone. Our hard work paid off. The future holds a crazy journey, but it will go by fast. So appreciate what you have and love every moment. They say these are the years you look back upon when you're older. So remember, don't wait out on things, since they may not come back again. It's true. Growing up is messy. So laugh until your stomach hurts, say yes to those fancy plans, and live beyond just your grades. Try to do what you want without worrying about what other people think. Be open-minded and try to learn as much as possible. Just keep growing, keep exploring, keep showing up, and remember that you are capable of way more than you think you are right now. Don't dwell on the past, nor focus too much on the future. Just live your best in the present. Because no matter how many times you fail, it will get better the more you try. These years may seem tough, but it won't be as bad as you think. Yes, focus on studying, but also focus on your family and friends. Even if you may seem lonely now, you will find a friend. You're going to meet great people and be given so many chances. Don't hesitate if you feel it's worth it, because the person you become is shaped by every choice you make. So go and reach for the stars, for God put that dream in your heart for a reason. Pray, hope, and wait. Before I end my speech, I'd like to thank everyone who helped us get to this point. To Dr. Richard Paulo B. Deloria, Ms. Francis Louise D. Deloria, and to all the trainers. Thank you for teaching us and for your patience. Though we may struggle at times, you help us prepare for the future challenges we may come across as we level up. To our family,